When embedding security and risk processes into digital transformation initiatives, a common first step and a crucial first step for any CISO is to ensure that security is top of mind. We're all going through a digital transformation of some kind, but what that means to you and your level of maturity and the timeline of your journey, it differs from company to company. Digital transformation does not necessarily introduce more or less cyber risk, but different types of risks. For example, if you're embracing public cloud, do you have the expertise to leverage the large ecosystem of cloud-native security capabilities? Are you focused on traditional risk, or are you considering potential new risks, whether you are lifting and shifting or building new cloud applications and workflows? It's funny, I spoke once with this very large financial services institution, and they were in the midst of this multi-year billion-dollar digital transformation. Their security organization told me that they had all their cyber risks clearly defined, understood, buttoned up, and taken care of. And so this had me pause, because while you can plan ahead, any level of change of that magnitude is going to introduce unknown factors. And those unknown factors may well translate to different cyber risks. And this is why I strongly believe that an initial step of a digital transformation journey is to ensure that your security strategy aligns and supports it. You can't transform without automation, nor can you scale, introduce efficiencies, reduce costs long-term, and break down silos that are often some of the root causes that warrant a digital transformation in the first place. For our security program at ServiceNow, all of those in the organization are enabled to seek out manual workflows and to destroy. That is, to automate and digitize wherever possible. For an example, to elevate our security analyst experience, we try to make it as simple and fast as possible. And we do this by using workflows for productivity gains, such as automated phishing campaigns, management of these phishing campaigns and reporting, or effective automated assignment of vulnerabilities and or grouping of incident close codes and notes to reduce high rate false positives. These type of examples have such tremendous impact on the operating efficiencies of a security program, but it also reduces that manual repetitive work that provides little in the way of career advancement and job satisfaction for analysts. A security organization that embraces automation at all angles is more effective, but also a far happier organization than it would be otherwise. As we accelerate into 2021, we ensure alignment with our company's business objectives. The top 3 for ServiceNow is managing our customers' service availability, security, and performance, all of which are critical for our business and our brand and the trust that our customers have in us. Our first step is to ensure our security activities align to these 3 tenets. And this is great for me as CISO. For ServiceNow to be successful, security has to be successful as well. And we have recognized that one of the best ways that we can protect our customer data is by using our own products wherever possible, creating workflows to solve simple security problems, and creating custom applications to address unique security challenges. For example, workflows to support the many frameworks and benchmarks that we have in place. NIST for continuous controls monitoring and automated evidence collection, MITRE support for security operations, BSIM for application security integrations, bug bounty work, and much more. Given that we are ServiceNow, our future plans are to workflow anything and everything. If manual work exists, it has the potential to be workflowed, whether by us, our industry partners and peers, or even our competitors. Automation is the key to the future and a crucial focus for us at ServiceNow. A great start is to go and check out our security BU roadmap, and you'll see that continue to expand and grow. And it's a direct influence, and in many cases, a map of what is going on with the internal ServiceNow CISO security organization.